In this video, we're going to look at a couple of examples of the product rule. So right here, we have a situation where we have two functions and there's no way to simplify them into a single one, so we have to look at this as a product of a power function and an exponential. Now, the product rule says you're going to hold one part constant, so perhaps I hold this constant first, 3w to the 17th, times, and I'm going to expand this a little bit. We won't always do this, but d dw, so the derivative with respect to w of 4 to the w. Now plus, now I'm going to hold the opposite part constant. So now I'm going to hold 4 to the w constant times, now I need to take the derivative with respect to w of 3w to the 17th. So we have 3w to the 17th. Now we're taking the derivative of an exponential that always has itself in it, 4 to the w times the natural log of the base, ln of 4, plus 4 raised to the w, and now the derivative of 3w to the 17th is just a power rule. Bring the power down, that's going to be 51. Let's put it in parentheses for right now, w to the 16th. And now it's a good habit to start practicing simplifying at this point because we're going to need it going on. So what can I factor out? I can factor out a 3w to the 16th times 4 to the w, and what do I have left? I'm going to have a w times ln of 4 from this piece, plus here I'm going to have, this has been factored out, that's been factored out, just 17. Again, we don't need that right now because we're just finding the derivative, but going forward this is going to be important to be able to do. Let's look at the second one. I'm going to skip this first step of writing out the dw's and just think about it in terms of the product rule. So I hold the first part constant, so sine of t plus cosine of t times the derivative of the second part, which is 4t cubed, plus, now I'm holding t to the fourth constant, and now we're going to look at the derivative of this piece, and we'll do it piece by piece. So the derivative of sine is cosine of t, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine of t. Once again, we'll factor out as much as we can. There's not going to be a whole lot. We can factor out the t cubed, and then what we have left is going to be 4 times sine of t plus cosine t plus t times cosine t minus sine t. There's nothing else we can factor out, so at this point we'll leave it here, and then if we needed to do something with this derivative we could decide if we wanted to simplify further. So there's a couple examples of the product rule.